Hello everyone, good evening and welcome back to the class. So I hope everybody is fine. Just give a confirmation that audio video clear hai. Good evening Kirti, good evening Rexina, good evening Rahul, good evening Navdeep, good evening Ambili, good evening Hari, Babu and good evening Hari Priya and good evening Rekha. So good evening Tikenjit. Audio video clear hai? Okay. So, okay, thank you. Good evening, Varalakshmi. And yes, both Rahul and Ambili have joined the class after a very long time. Thank you, everyone, for the confirmation. Good evening, Preeti. Okay, so yesterday we have started this concept of computer networks. May we have started discussing your classful addressing and all. So we have completed the classful part and we have done the questions also. So there are certain questions I gave as homework yesterday. One question was there, okay, and there was one doubt that I told that I'll clear it. Good evening, Mithilesh. Hello, Deepak, and good evening, Nancy. So let's start with today's class. So anybody who is new, this is the Telegram channel that you can join, and it is Net Ria Digimento. Okay, so please do check the spellings. And now let's start with our class. So this was the question that I was talking to everyone. Just a minute. Okay, yeah. So did everyone try this question? Varalakshmi gave the answer on the group, and okay, good. So one more answer I've got. Anybody else? Good evening, Kalai Selvi. So what answer did you get, everyone? Everybody was able to get answer. That is answer 3 is the correct answer. Good, very good. Okay, so it's nice that everybody tried, but let us still discuss. So do I need to discuss or you were able to do it? So do we need to discuss it or should I move forward with this? I have explained you the entire concept although, but still if you want I can explain, or if it is okay then we'll move forward. Okay, I'll explain. Okay. So what they're saying that there you have, okay, move or explain. चलो मैं explain कर देती हूँ. Very quickly I'll explain because ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा इसमें. So I have told you when C2 is assuming something, right? When C2 is assuming, so I told you in yesterday's class that when we have C2 assume, so this means that C2 is assuming that C1 is on my network, right? C1 is on same network. So this means that C2 and C1 are on the same network according to C2, right? So now we have C1 and C2, and we have the IP address of C1 and net mask of C1 and IP address of C2 and net mask of C2. So what we will do first we will take the net mask of C1. Okay, first we will consider the net mask of C1 and we will try to find whether they are on the same page or not. Okay, so first we have net mask of C1, that is, we will not take this 255 and 255 because it is all same. We will take these 2 bytes. So we have 128, so 128 is 1 and then all zeros. And then we have all zeros. And what is the IP address of C1? C1 IP address is, we will not take these 2, we will take 2 and 53. So 2 is basically this and 53 is be anything 0 se aap AND karoge, so you will get 0 only. So when you will do the AND with net mask of C1 and IP address of C1, you will get 203.197. This byte will come to be 0 and 0, right? This is what you will get when you're taking net mask of C1 and IP address of C1. Now you will take net mask of C1 only, that is 255.255.128.0, and you will take the IP address of C2. So you have 203.197. So what is 75 if I say? 75 is basically 75, this one will be 0 and it will be somewhat here. So this is 64. So 75 and 64 when you will do, you will get 11. So 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 10, 1. This is what you will get, and here you have 201. Okay, so here we have 201. And now when you will perform AND over here, you will get 203, 197. You will get here 0 and here also 0. Right? So now this value and this value, both values are same, right? So this means that if C1 is assuming that C2 and I are on the same network, then he is correct. This means that if net mask is of C1, what does this signify? This means that if net mask is C1, then C1 and C2 both are on the same network. This is for C1 and this is for C2 computer, and net mask we have taken off C1. Okay, so this is what they're saying, that if C1 and C2 are IP addresses and net mask is taken off C1, then both are on same network. Now we'll do the same for net mask C2. Now we will take the net mask C2 and we will perform the AND operation. So what is the net mask of C2? 255.255.192. So what is 192? If you see here, so 255.255.192 is 128 and 64. So this is your 192 dot, then we have 0. Okay, then we will have what? We will take the IP address of C1. So it is 2.53. So 203.197.2. So this is all zeros and 2, and then here we have 53. So the result will come out to be 203.197.0.0. Yes or no? And then we will take, this is your C1 IP address, and now we will take the IP address of C2. So we have 255.255. Again we have what? We have 1, 1 and zeros and 0, and here we have what? 203.197.01000. No, this is 8, sorry. This is 8 is 1 here. So basically what we are doing, we are representing it in binary. So 8421 dot, and we have here what we have? Here we have 0, no, it is 201. So now when you will find AND, you will see it is 203.197 dot. Now it will be 64.0. So now you can see that this is not equal to this. So this means that C1 and C2 are not on the same network as of your C2. So now we will check the options. What are the options? Options are saying C1 and C2 both assume they are on the same network. Wrong. Why it is wrong? Because C1 can assume that C2 is on my same network, but same is not the case with C2. So option number 2 is saying C2 assumes C1 is on same network. No, C1 assumes that C2 is on the same network. Why? Because when we are taking the net mask of C1 and then we are performing the AND operation, we are getting the same results with both the computers C1 and C2. Okay. Good evening Soumya, good evening Ruhi, good evening Rosalind, good evening Swapnali, good evening Selvarani, good evening Jyoti. Ruhi, क्या समझ नहीं आया इसमें? Okay everyone, so basically this is the same thing that we have done yesterday. So what is the only thing that you have to keep in mind is that if they are saying that C2 assumes C1 is on the same network, this means that they are saying that C2 ka net mask you have to take and then you have to do the AND operation. Okay, so this was the yesterday's question, and here this question, no, the number of subnets we won't do -2. Okay, please correct it. Number of subnets में आप -2 नहीं करोगे because directly जितनी bits you will take, same आप उससे अपने number of subnets निकाल सकते हो. C2 line क्या समझने, क्या नहीं आया इसमें समझ में? कुछ भी नहीं है, ये आपका 255.255.192.0 है, तो मैंने 192 को बाइनरी में लिख दिया है, एंड दिस इज आल्सो 192.0, एंड देन यू हैव परफॉर्म द एंड ऑपरेशन, नथिंग. Okay, good evening Tripti. Yes, so many students are attending the class after a very long time. Chalo, good. So it's good that from today we are starting a new topic, so आपको समझने में थोड़ा easy होगा. So first, now we will be starting with CIDR. Okay, so very important first from your exam point of view, the full form of CIDR, that is classless inter-domain routing. Okay, CIDR. So what is CIDR? So CIDR is basically an improved IP addressing system. Okay, it makes the allocation of IP addresses more efficient. It replaces the older classful addressing system based on classes. So we were having two types of addressing system, classful addressing system and classless addressing system. So here we have replaced the concept of classes and we have moved on with the concept of classless. So that is why we also say it as classless inter-domain routing, that is CIDR. Okay, now very important that in your classless addressing system or your CIDR, basically the addresses are written in this form: a.b.c.d/n, where n is equal to number of network bits. Okay, number of network bits present in your address. So n denotes the number of network bits. Okay, so in class full addressing system we were having classes, like class A was having, it was fixed that if your address is of class A, you will have 8 network bits and you will have 24 host bits. But in CIDR this is not the concept. In CIDR there is no class system. So any network can have any number of network bits. Any IP address can have any number of network bits. For example, if I take this example, like if I'm saying that the address is 201.50.16.240 and I am saying that 24 is your number. Content is not visible. Anybody else is having this problem? Good evening, Anita. Please do change your resolution of the video. Maybe that is the problem. Okay, so now if this is the example, now what you have to see here, you see here that what is the value of this n. So now I can see that n is equal to 24. So this means that in this IP address, 24 bits are reserved for your network part. Okay, so this means that these 3 bytes are reserved for your network part and the remaining one is reserved for the host part. Okay, so this is what is your this value n. So they end with the slash followed by a number. So this number is also known as IP network prefix. IP network prefix tells the number of bits used for the identification of network. Remaining bits are used for identification of host in the network. Okay, so this is basically what they are saying, that if you have any example, any IP address, anything you can have, 210.15.60.80/12. Now tell me how many network bits are there and how many host bits are there. How many network bits are there in this question? Correct. 12 network bits. And how we will calculate the host bits? Total we know that we have 32 bits IP address. So 32 minus 12 will give you 20 bits. So 12 bits are reserved for your network ID and 20 bits are reserved for your host ID. Okay. Good evening, Lakshmi. I hope this is clear, everyone. So whenever you have a network, you have an IP address of this form, that is slash is used, slash notation, always remember that this is your CIDR, classless inter-domain routing. Okay, now next we have this is very important, that we know that if this is my IP address, okay, this is your IP address and it is of 32 bits. So let me say that it is of n bits. If I say that this is of n bits, okay, and this host part is of k bits. So what is the number of bits for network part? Network part will have how many bits? N minus k. Okay, correct. Now what they are saying, one more thing that you have to remember is, in your CIDR, okay, in CIDR we have blocks. Blocks मतलब कि there is a, जो आपके IP addresses होते ना, all these IP addresses, they are termed as, we have classes, no, in classful addressing system we were having concept of classes. In your CIDR we term the group of IP addresses as blocks. Okay, so instead of what you can say, noting them down as classes, we try to address them in form of blocks. So we say that it is a block of IP address. Okay, so this is one block and it will have an IP address. So instead of class, we are saying it in, we are representing it in the form of blocks. Okay, so this is what they are saying, that size of block means that number of IP addresses in one block. Size of block is basically number of IP addresses in one block. Must be presentable as a power of 2. Now tell me, IP addresses, if this is my network, any network this is, and I have, suppose 5 devices. Okay, I have 5 devices. So how many hosts are there in this network? How many hosts are there in this network? If I have 5 devices, how many hosts are there in this network? Hosts are basically your machines, right? The devices that can be given an IP address, right or not? So how many hosts are there? 5. 5 hosts are there, right? Now, what they are saying, in any block, how many IP addresses you can have, it will always be represented as a power of 2. Means if you have k host, so size of the block will be 2 raised to power k. I hope this point is clear to you, that if you have k number of hosts, if you have k bits for host, so size of block will be 2 raised to power k. Now tell me, for 5 hosts, how many bits you require? If you have 5 hosts, how many bits you require for 5 hosts? No. 5 hosts हैं आपके. You have 5 hosts, so how many bits? मतलब 3 बिट्स में आप रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, राइट? अगर मैं ये बोल रही हूँ, आई एम सेइंग दैट टोटल आपके पास 32 बिट्स का आईपी एड्रेस है, ओके? योर टोटल आईपी एड्रेस इज ऑफ 32 बिट्स, राइट? एंड आई एम सेइंग दैट यू हैव 5 आईपी एड्रेसेस और यू हैव 5 होस्ट. सो 5 होस्ट में से कितने बिट्स आपने होस्ट वाले पार्ट को दे दिए? अगर आपके पास 5 डिवाइसेस हैं, सो हाउ मेनी डिवाइसेस, हाउ मेनी बिट्स यू रिक्वायर? Only 3 bits. Why 3 bits? Because if I have 3, that is 2 raised to power 3 will give me 8 options, right? 8. And 8 options may I can accommodate easily, I can accommodate 5 values. Yes or no? So 3 bits are reserved for your, what you can say, 3 bits are reserved for your host part, okay? So what will be the size of block here? Size of block will be 8. Yes or no? So now it means that this block, this particular block can have 8, what you can say, 8 IP addresses. So size of block will become 8. So now you have 5. You can easily accommodate 5 IP addresses in this. What I'm saying that if you have, the concept is that if you have 5 things, okay? Understand like this, if you have 5 things, so in how many bits you can represent 5? Number of bits. So how you will represent number of bits? कितने लगेंगे 5 के लिए? How many bits you will be required? 3 bits. In 3 bits, if I have 5, I can give 5 values. I can make 5 combinations from 3 bits. Yes or no? 0 0 0 means maximum I can make 8 combinations from 3 bits. But how many I need? I require only 5, so I can make 5 as well. So this is what they are saying कि आपका जो size of the block, see this is written here, size of the block is the total number of IP addresses contained in the block. So size of any CIDR block will always be in the form 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4 and so on. So it is important that size of the block will always be representable in the form of power of 2. So if you have k bits for your host, so the size of block will become 2 raised to power k. Just remember like this. इसको छोड़ो, आप लोग ज़्यादा confusion हो रहा है, so ignore it. If you have 3 bits for host, so this means that size of the block will be 2 raised to power 3. Simply. Do not get much more into this. Simple सा याद रखो. If you have k bits for host, so size of the block will be 2 raised to power k. And what is size of the block? No. See, आप जो बोल रहे हो वहाँ पे क्या आप बता रहे हो? मैम जस्ट वही, सपोज वी हैव 5 होस्ट, वी नीड एटलीस्ट 7 IP एड्रेसेस, 1 फॉर नेट ID, 1 फॉर ब्रॉडकास्ट. 5 होस्ट है, मतलब 5 डिवाइसेस की मैं बात करूँ, ठीक है? आप अगर, आई थिंक आप बोल रहे हो कि नंबर ऑफ होस्ट पर यूजेबल होस्ट पर सबनेट वाली बात कर रहे हो, आई थिंक, ठीक है? आप ध्यान दो, अगर मैंने आपसे जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे तो नंबर ऑफ होस्ट पर सबनेट मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि 2 raised to power समथिंग -2 हम तब कर रहे थे, राइट? जब यहाँ पे हम यूजेबल होस्ट की बात करें. मैं सिर्फ इतना बोल रही हूँ कि होस्ट आपके बेसिकली डिवाइसेस हैं. अगर 5 डिवाइसेस हैं आपके पास नेटवर्क में, सो हाउ मेनी बिट्स यू कैन अकोमोडेट दोज 5 डिवाइसेस. जस्ट आई एम सेइंग दिस मच ओनली. ज़्यादा डिटेल, मतलब मैं आपसे ये नहीं पूछ रही कि कितने यूजेबल होस्ट हैं, कितने आप कैसे कर रहे हो. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि अगर आपके पास 5 होस्ट हैं या 5 डिवाइसेस हैं एंड यू वांट टू अकोमोडेट देम इनटू योर बिट्स, सो हाउ मेनी बिट्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड बाय यू for 5 hosts? So 3 bits will be required for 5 hosts, nothing much, ठीक है? जो आप बता रहे हो 1 for net ID, 1 for broadcast, that is basically जब हम करते हैं number of usable host कि usable host कितने हैं, so हम 2 host ignore कर देते हैं, that is your first one for net ID and the last one for your DBA, that you are correct. Okay, so next we have, अगर मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दूं, जस्ट लेट मी गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. सपोज आई से दैट number of IP address, ठीक है, number of IP address is 16. Okay, try to understand this. And number of host ID bits is 4. So you have to find number of block ID bits. How many block ID bits will be there? So I'll explain you this one. What they are saying, they have given you that number of IP addresses is 16. Now tell me, if you have 16 IP addresses, so how many bits will be required for your IP address? If you have 16 IP addresses, ठीक है, number of IP addresses 16. So how many bits will be there? Correct. So it will be 2 raised to power 4. ठीक है, एंड होस्ट आईडी बिट्स कितनी दी हुई है? होस्ट आईडी बिट्स इज 4. सो नाउ व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, ब्लॉक आईडी बिट्स कितनी हुई? ब्लॉक आईडी बिट्स इज बेसिकली 32 माइनस दिस 4, this block ID. So what you will do, you will do nothing. मतलब आपका ये part दिया हुआ है, this is given, this you know it is 32, this is given to you, you have to calculate this value. So this means this is your 28. So this means that you can accommodate 28 your block ID bits अगर आपकी हैं, so you can have 28 bits for your block. Okay, so if I say अगर 2 की पावर 6 होता, ठीक है, if you have 2 की पावर 6, so how many, if you have, suppose you have host bits 5, now your host bits are 5 host bits हैं, so block ID bits कितनी हुई? See what I am saying, या देखो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं वो, नंबर ऑफ होस्ट आईडी बिट्स दे रखी है आपको. ओके, नंबर ऑफ होस्ट आईडी बिट्स मतलब ये वाले पार्ट आपको दे रखा है. सी दे हैव गिवन यू दिस थिंग, दे हैव गिवन यू दिस थिंग एज 4 बिकॉज होस्ट आईडी बिट्स, तो होस्ट की जो बिट्स हैं दैट इज गिवन टू यू. ओके, एंड दे आर सेइंग कि आपकी जो ब्लॉक आईडी होगी उसमें कितनी बिट्स आएंगी. दिस मीन्स दैट आप 28 बिट्स आप अपने नेटवर्क पार्ट को दे सकते हो. येस और नो, बिकॉज 28 प्लस 4 इज 32. सो नाउ out of this 28 you can have any number of addresses, not necessarily 28 ही हो, but they are saying that if you are given host id bits, so you can find the block id bits by the host id bits. This is just in order to know कि आपको पता है कि अगर 16 IP एड्रेसेस हैं तो 2 रेज टू पावर 4 बिट्स में आपके 16 IP एड्रेस काम कर जाएंगे. सम थिंग्स आर गिवन टू कंफ्यूज. ओके, सो होस्ट बिट्स अगर 5 हैं, सो ब्लॉक आईडी बिट्स कितनी हो जाएंगी? 32 minus 5 that is 27. So similarly अगर host bits कुछ भी हो, host bits मान लो 6 हो गई. If your host bits are 6, so what will be your block ID bits? How many block ID bits you will have? कितनी हो जाएंगी block ID bits अगर host bits 6 हैं? Correct. 32 minus 6 that is 26. So slash वाला पार्ट है ये कि अगर हम ऐसे लिख दें if I have any IP address and slash 28, so this means that 28 नेटवर्क वाला पार्ट है. ब्लॉक आईडी बेसिकली नेटवर्क आईडी का पार्ट है ये. 28 बिट्स हमने नेटवर्क को दे दी और 4 बिट्स हमारी होस्ट की हो गई आउट ऑफ द 32 बिट्स. क्लियर है? ज्यादा कंफ्यूज मत हो, बस बेसिक चीज समझ में आ जानी चाहिए कि अगर आपको होस्ट आईडी इज गिवन टू यू, सो यू कैन फाइंड द ब्लॉक आईडी बिट्स दैट इज 32 माइनस दैट नंबर. ओके, नाउ मेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक सबनेटिंग. अब यहाँ पे जस्ट क्लियर योर माइंड विद ऑल द डाउट्स. यहाँ से कुछ मैं ब्लॉक आईडी कॉल आईपी एड्रेस ब्लॉक. हाँ जी, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना दैट योर साइज ऑफ द ब्लॉक, मतलब बेसिकली क्या है, ब्लॉक आईडी कॉल नॉट IP address of the block. IP address of the block तो नहीं बोलोगे आप इसे, बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या है कि ब्लॉक इज बेसिकली आपका है कि कितने एड्रेसेस आप उसमें स्टोर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ब्लॉक इज बेसिकली ग्रुप ऑफ IP एड्रेसेस एंड साइज ऑफ ब्लॉक इज बेसिकली टोटल नंबर ऑफ IP एड्रेसेस जो उस ब्लॉक में आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ सबनेटिंग इन CIDR, अगर आपको ध्यान हो कि व्हेन वी वर डूइंग क्लासफुल एड्रेसिंग एंड क्लासफुल में जब हमने सबनेटिंग पढ़ी थी, सो फ्रॉम विच पार्ट वी वर बोरोइंग द बिट्स ऑफ फॉर सबनेटिंग, फ्रॉम विच पार्ट वी वर बोरोइंग द बिट्स फॉर सबनेटिंग, एनी आइडिया, याद है? when we were studying the subnetting in classful addressing, correct, ठीक है, host, same चीज यहाँ पे भी हो रही है, you will borrow the bits from host only, so host से आप borrow करोगे bits, ठीक है, this is nothing has changed here. Now try to understand, suppose एक IP address आपको given है, example है 20.30.40.10/25. Okay, this is what, and they are saying that divide into two subnets and you have to give the range of the two subnets. Okay, so we'll start first. First thing what you have to do whenever you have questions like this, first you have to find the network bits. So how many network bits are there in this question? How many network bits are there in this question? $25, correct, 25, because this value is your network bits. Okay, this is value is number of network bits. And how many host bits? 32 minus 25, that is 7. Now what we will do, now we will write this 20.30.40. And we'll write 10 in binary, so 1 2 3 4 8 4 2 1. This is right, everyone? This much is okay. 25 bits means starting from here till here, these are your 25 bits. 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits, 24 and 125. And this part is your host. These 7 bits are for your host. Any doubt up till here? This is what we have studied till now. Yes or no? Now I have to make how many subnets? I have to make 2 subnets. So for 2 subnets, how many bits I'll be needing? If I have to make 2 subnets, कितनी bits चाहिए होंगी 2 subnets के लिए? 1, correct. Why? Because 1 से एक you have this whole network and you want to divide into 2. So this you can give 0 and this you can give 1. So you require only 1 bit. Clear? Now, so I will take this 1 bit. Right? Now, after taking this 1 bit, what will happen? It will become 20.30.40.00 and then we have 001010. So now this will come in your network. Why? Agar if you remember your classful addressing, so the subnet bit was treated as your network part. If you remember this, that your subnet bit was treated as a part of network ID. Yes or no? In classful addressing also we have done the same thing, that whatever bits we were considering in subnet, that were taken as a part of network ID. Yes or no? Any doubt in this? Okay, so now we will try to find the range of this subnet first. Okay, so if this is my subnet 1, what will be the range of subnet 1? Anyone? Anyone who can find the range of subnet 1? For subnet 1, the subnet bit is 0. So I will write it like 20.30.40.0. This is your network part. Then we have 0 subnet part and 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 20.30.40.00 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will become 0 and this will come out to be not 191, it will come out to be, I think, 63. Not 191 but 63. You will not touch this bit, you will not touch this bit. Rest your host bits all zeros and all ones. रेंज तो ऐसे निकालते थे ना, मिनिमम वॉज ऑल जीरोस एंड मैक्सिमम वॉज होस्ट बिट्स ऑल वन. करेक्ट. सो 0 to 63. नाउ what will be the value of n over here? यहाँ जो स्लैश के बाद जो वैल्यू थी, ओके चलो आई रिपीट अगेन. नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर, आई एक्सप्लेन हियर. दिस इज योर सबनेट, ठीक है. दिस इज योर बिट 0 सबनेट बिट एंड दिस इज योर सबनेट बिट 1. सो नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सबनेट 1. we will not touch the network bits. Okay, we will not touch network bits. So 20.30.40.0, this up till here I have network bits. Up till this 0 I have network bits. I will not touch it, it will remain as it is. Okay, subnet bit for subnet 1 is 0, so I will write it as it is. And I have told you, when you have to find the range that what from where to where networks are part of subnet 1, what we do for the host bits, first we put all the host bits as 0 and then we put all the host bits as 1. Yes or no? So how many bits are remaining now? 2 bits are taken, so all remaining bits are 6. So first we will do 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are your host bits. 2. Then we have 20.30.40. Then we will keep the 0 only. This is also 0 and all the host bits will become 1. That is, all the 6 bits will become 1. If you see here, the remaining host bits are now 6. 6 host bits are remaining now. Any doubt in this part? Clear hua? Why this is 6 we have taken, why we are keeping all zeros, why we are keeping all ones? Navdeep and Tripti. Okay, now you have to tell me what is the value of this slash. Slash के बाद जो value है वो क्या है? What is the value here? What will be the value? Because in CIDR we deal with this only. So what is the value over here? 26? Sure? Correct. Correct. Slash 26. So the range for subnet 1 will become 20.30.40.0 slash 26 to 20.30.40.63 slash 26. I hope it is clear to everyone why 26 is there. 26 is there because earlier we were having how many bits reserved for your network part? 25 bits were reserved for network, and we have added one subnet bit as well. So now your network part will comprise of total 26 bits. Clear? I think this is clear everyone, no doubt in subnet 1. Now try to find the range of subnet 2 everyone. Find the range of subnet 2 along with the network number of network bits. स्लैश क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? So now we will talk about subnet 2, and in subnet 2 the subnet bit is 1, so it will be 20.30.40. This is network parts, will not touch it. The subnet bit is now 1, so host remain will all 0 up to 20.30.40.0. this will be 1 and all will be 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this here we will have correct, good, 26, and here also we will have 26. So it will come out to be 20.30.40. 64/26 to 20.30.40.127/26. Okay, clear everyone? This is how you will perform subnetting in your CIDR. Okay, now try this thing I'm giving you. You have the IP address. Your IP address is 20 dot, same IP address है 20.30.40.10/25, ठीक है, and you have to divide it into 4 subnets. So now you have to divide into 4 subnets and you have to tell me the range of all the subnets. So we'll start one by one. Okay, first we'll have the range of subnet 1, then we'll have the range of subnet 2, subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3 and subnet 4. So quickly do and tell me what will be the answer. Then we will discuss the question that has been asked in a previous year. So 4 subnets we have. So now you have to tell me how many bits you will be taking and what will be the value of this n and what will be the range of all the subnets. Okay, right. For 4 subnets, you will be taking 2 bits, correct? And these 2 bits will come from your host. So now my network ID is having 25 bits and my host part is having 32 minus 25, that is 7 bits. So from these 7 bits, I will borrow 2 bits for the subnet part. Okay, correct. So for subnet 1, we have /28. 28 नहीं होगा, 27 होगा. Because 25 network bits and 2 bits for subnet. So 25 plus 2 will give you 27. Okay. So this is 0 to 31. Okay, /27. Then we have 32/27 to 63/27. Okay. Everybody do it. आप लोग कर लो. It's कोई वो नहीं है, आराम से करो. Answers, I have got the answers, so that's why I'm writing here. If your answers are not matching, then please do tell me. Are you sure कि यही होगा? मुझे भी चेक कर लेना एक मिनट. सबनेट 2 में okay, so what I have done is I'll take this as 0 and this as 1. So now I have divided here, so I'll be needing 2 bits. So this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so now this is your first subnet for me. So this is 0, all the bits will be 0 and the remaining 5 bits will be 1. So this is correct. Subnet 1 is correct. Okay, moving on to subnet 2. Subnet 2 will be 20.30.40.0 is your network part, then 0 1 for your subnet part and all zeros. 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is 32, correct. And then we have 0 0 1 and all the 1. So 1 2 3 4, this will be 63, correct. So subnet 2 is also correct. If anybody is having any error or any mistake, do ask me. Okay, this is also correct. Then here we will have 1 0 and all zeros, okay, and 1, no, this will not be, I think, 127, I think. Let me just check. So it will be 20.30.40.0 1 0 and all the ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this will come out to be, I think, this is what, 31 and this is 64. So it will come out to be 95. This will be 95, not 127. Okay, please do check, Mitlesh. Please आप check करो, ये 95 होगा यहाँ पे. Okay, 64 to 95. 26 होना चाहिए. क्या 26 होना चाहिए? स्लैश 26 नहीं होगा, बिकॉज 25 आपके नेटवर्क आईडीज हो गए और 2 बिट्स आपने ले ली हैं सबनेट की. तो 25 प्लस 2 इज 27. सो 27 होगा, 26 नहीं होगा. आई होप क्लियर हो गया ये वाली डाउट. देन यहाँ पे भी 128 से स्टार्टिंग नहीं होगी, स्टार्टिंग होगी आपकी 96 से. सबनेट 4, सो इट विल बी 96.127 एंड फिर आपका आएगा 128, या शायद रुक जाओ, इसमें कुछ 0 32 64 एंड ओके, करेक्ट. ठीक है, सो दीज आर योर करेक्ट सबनेट्स के आपकी रेंजेस हैं ये. एनीबडी इज नॉट गेटिंग एनी ऑफ दीज, प्लीज डू आस्क मी. गुड इवनिंग अदिति. ठीक है एवरीवन, /27 है सबका, बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग 2 बिट्स फ्रॉम होस्ट फॉर सबनेट. सो 25 प्लस 2 विल गिव यू 27. क्लियर एवरीवन? Okay, now let's move back to the let's see the question that we have. So this is the question. Visible है सबको? Question is visible to everyone. I'll write the important part. ठीक है, मैं important parts लिख देती हूँ. What they are saying, an internet service provider has following chunk of CIDR based IP addresses. So जो addresses available हैं, chunk basically block समझ लेना. Okay, they are trying to talk about block of IP addresses. So they are saying that 245.248.128.0/20. So this means that 20 bits are for network part and the remaining are for your host part. The ISP wants to give half of this chunk addresses to organization A. ठीक है, now tell me, मैम, fourth subnet 96 to 127. 127 होगा. हाँ, okay, right. Yes, 127. Correct. Okay. Yes. So what they are saying, half of this chunk addresses to organization A. ठीक है, so now you tell me that if this is my IP address, if this is the IP address that is given, so what will be the number of host bits? $12, right? 32 minus 20, that is 12. So now tell me, think and tell. Okay, they are saying that ISP wants to give half of this chunk, मतलब half of this block. So now you can tell me, अगर host bits आपके 12 हैं, मतलब if this is what they are saying कि ये आपका 32 bit का address है, ठीक है, and 20 bits are for your network part and 12 bits are for your host part. So block में कितने addresses हुए? Size of block कितना हो गया आपका, या size of chunk कितना हो गया? एक ही बात है, ठीक है, chunk भी block का मतलब है. So what will be the size of chunk या size of block? if 12 bits are in your host and 20 are in your network part, what will be the size of chunk or size of block? Correct. 2 raised to power 12. This is what I have told you. यही पढ़ा था ना हमने कि जो ब्लॉक है, साइज ऑफ ब्लॉक विल ऑलवेज बी इन द पावर ऑफ 2 and it is basically 2 raised to power k. Correct. Now, what will be half of 2 raised to power 12? They are saying that what they are trying to say is total you have 2 raised to power 12 IP addresses. Yes or no? Then they are saying that half of this you gave to organization A. Then how many remains with you? Half will remain. Yes or no? And from the remaining half, quarter you मतलब then they are saying कि half आपने A को दे दिया, and then they are saying quarter you gave to B. So obviously quarter is basically 1/4. Yes or no? So what will be first tell me what will be half of this 2 raised to power 12. A को कितना मिलना कि A के लिए कितने IP addresses होंगे? 2 raised to power 11. Correct. Why 2 raised to power 11? Because if you see here, if you try to see this, 2 raised to power 12 divide by 2. So this is what 2 raised to power 12 minus 1, that is 2 raised to power 11. This is clear everyone, that why A is having 2 raised to power 11 IP addresses. I think this is clear to everyone. And quarter to organization B. Quarter is basically what? Quarter is 1/4. So now you tell me B organization B को कितने मिलेंगे? Organization B will have how many addresses? Correct. 2 raised to power 10. Why 2 raised to power 10? Because now you are having 2 raised to power 12 total, and then they are saying quarter, that is 2 raised to power 2. Why? Quarter is 1/4. That is divide by 4. So it will be 2 raised to power 10. So this is what they are saying. Okay. Clear है इतना everyone? While retaining the remaining with itself. So आप इसको ऐसे भी समझ सकते हो. Just try to understand here. They are saying कि half दे दिया A को. Then they are saying quarter is given to B and remaining is given to self. This is what they are saying in the question. So you can, if you try to make a diagram, if you try to make a flow chart, आप ऐसे समझ सकते हो that if you are having 2 raised to power 12, ठीक है, so 2 raised to power का half they have given to A. What is the remaining now? अब बचा कितना? Half ही remain हुआ, ठीक है, half is what is left now. And then इसका भी half अगर वो ऐसे बोलते कि this remaining 1/2 is given to B. So what it will be? This is 1/2, this is 1/2. So this in total will become 1/4 only. ठीक है, so they can change the language also, but do not get confused. Why? Because 1/2 and 1/2 will make originally 1/4 only. So अगर वो ऐसे बोल रहे हैं कि half A को दिया, quarter B को दिया, या वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि half is given to A and half of remaining is given to B. So please do not get confused. They are trying to say the same thing only. Clear है ये वाला point everyone? क्या इसमें कोई डाउट है? Okay, so they are just mixing the words, but मतलब same ही है. Okay, now try to do this question. So they are asking you कि which of the following is a valid allocation for addresses to A and B. So basically A को 2 raised to power 11 हो गया, B का 2 raised to power 10 हो गया. So this is 11 and 10 is basically host bits, right? Okay, so I got the answer also. Very good, very fast. Everyone try this one and tell me what is the answer. Okay, chalo, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is option number B. थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक हो गई है आई थिंक बी नो, एक मिनट हाँ राइट बी है करेक्ट आंसर, नॉट ए, बी है. Now let us see why B is the correct answer. Everybody, please have a look here. How you will proceed with this question is, first what they are saying, first let's have a network first. Okay, we have this network. They are saying that half is given to A. Okay, so when half is given to A, this means that I need only one bit for now. I require only one bit for now. चलो देखते हैं. ओके, अगर आप कह रहे हो आई सॉल्व हेयर, सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. अगर हो सकता है ए हो, मैंने मार्क गलत किया हो, डोंट वरी. ठीक है, सो 0 विल बी गिवन टू दिस एंड 1 विल बी गिवन टू दिस. इट इज एज पर माई अजम्पशंस. आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो कि आप इसको हाफ में करो और 1 आप इसको दे दो और 0 आप इसको दे दो. बोथ आर वैलिड. ठीक है, सो यू इन एग्जाम्स दे कैन यूज एनी मेथड. सो यू हैव टू, इफ अगर इस वाले से आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, सो गो एंड ट्राई विद दिस ऑल्सो, because they can use any method for in your exams. Okay, now first we'll follow this only. Then they are saying that after giving half of the chunk to A, you are giving quarter. So अब ये आपने A को दे दिया, this A has occupied now. Now from this remaining you will give what? You will give quarter to B. मतलब obviously half आप दोगे B को. This is what they are trying to say. So now you are dividing your bits. Now you are dividing your remaining part into two parts. That is, one was already there. Now you have to differentiate between these two. So you will be needing 1 0 and 1 1. So this will be for B and this will be for self. इतना clear हो गया everyone? This much is clear everyone? Any doubt in this कि why we are doing this thing? ठीक है, now let's talk about organization A. Now we'll start with organization A, but first of all let me just write the IP address over here. What is the IP address? 245.248 128 and 0 128.0/20. so I have told you that organization A को कितने हमने दे दिए? It will be 2 raised to power 11. So this means that number of host bits for A is 11 and number of network bits for A is how many? Number of network bits for A is 32 minus 11, that is 21. So this I know that for organization A, this will be the value of N. Right, now what will be the IP address? What is the valid IP address? So 21 bits. This is your 8 bits. These are your 8 bits. So what we will do here, we will simply write it as 245.248.128 in binary is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 dot 0 and 120. I mean, how many bits are there for network part? 21. So 8 bits, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So from here till here, we have reserved this for your network part, right? Originally 20 bits thi aapki. Originally, if you see here, if you look this part, if you see here 245.248.1 and 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 dot 0, originally 20 bits were there what you have occupied for your network part. But then what you did, then आपने एक bit जो है पहले एक bit ली for your subnet part for A. A के लिए, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन A के लिए हमने सिर्फ एक ही बिट यूज की है. सो वी विल टेक ओनली वन बिट फ्रॉम द नेटवर्क, फ्रॉम द होस्ट पार्ट. सो इट विल बी 21. सो दिस इज दैट सबनेट पार्ट. ठीक है, सो A की जो नेटवर्क आईडी हुई, सॉरी, दैट इज 245.248.128.0/21. A का क्लियर हो गया एवरीवन? दिस इज व्हाट इज फॉर A. एनी डाउट फॉर A के लिए? कोई डाउट किसी को? कि वाई वी आर कीपिंग 128 आया, क्यों 21 क्यों आया. ठीक है, दिस इज क्लियर. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ए का आईपी एड्रेस एलोकेशन क्लियर हो गया आप लोग को कि 21 क्यों आ रहा है, 0 क्यों लिया है, 0 बिट. ना फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बी, लेट्स वंस मोर. देखो, originally your IP address was given this 245.248.128.0/20. So this 20 means that 20 bits are allocated to your network part. So this is what was there. And when we were doing subnetting, so for a organization we reserved 1 bit. We only require 1 bit for this complete is given to A. So हमने एक bit ली from host part and then we added that subnet bit. इस सबनेट बिट को फिर हमने ऐड कर दिया इन योर नेटवर्क पार्ट, सो इट बिकेम 21. सो /21 हो गया आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ए का. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बी. अब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बी की क्या स्टोरी है. इफ यू सी हेयर, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बी इज रिक्वायरिंग 2 सबनेट बिट्स, राइट. सो योर ओरिजिनल वॉज, अब आपका जो हुआ दैट इज 245.248.1234567 8/0. सो ओरिजिनली 20 बिट्स आपने नेटवर्क के लिए रखे थे. फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बी यू हैव टेकन 2 बिट्स फॉर द सबनेट पार्ट, that is 2 bits are for subnet, and remaining how many 10 bits are given to your host. I hope this is clear to everyone. These are your 8 bits and these are 2 bits, so 10 bits हो गए. और ये आपके कितने हो गए, ये आपके 20 originally थे. So now what will be the value of n for your organization B? Value of n क्या हो जाएगी, value of n क्या हो जाएगी for organization B? 20 बिट्स नेटवर्क के और 2 बिट्स सबनेट के, दैट इज 22. सो जो भी आप लिखोगे /22 विल बी योर फॉर organization B. Now we will see the valid IP address for organization B. So 245.248, we will not touch network bits and this will come out to be 10. So 1 2 3 4, these are your network bits. Subnet bits क्या है organization B की, subnet bits है 10. So we will write 10 over here and then what we have 1 2 and all the zeros. So now अब /22. So now what we have 245.248 dot, then what it will become, it will become 128 plus 8, that is 136.136.0/22. So this will be what, this will be the IP address for organization B. Now we check the options. अब options अगर हम check करें, so what are the options? I have 245.248.136.0/21. 21 के साथ आ रहा है 136, राइट. बट मेरा 21 के साथ 128 आ रहा है और 22 के साथ 136 and there is no option as I can see here for now. So what does this means? This means that आपके जो एग्जामिनर है उसने क्या किया है, what he has done, he has taken this bit as 1 and this bit as 0. Getting my point everyone? What he has done, हमने क्या किया, हमने लिया A को 0 और B और सेल्फ को दिया हमने 1 बिट 1 1, ठीक है. बट यहाँ पे और हमने जब आंसर्स निकाले, so we were not able to match the answers with the given answers. Why? Because what he has done, he has followed this methodology. He has given this subnet as 1, फिर उसने 0 को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. I hope you are getting my point कि मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. अच्छा, ओके 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 ओके, राइट, ठीक है. सो या योर करेक्ट आंसर ए होगा, बी नहीं होगा. अगर आप ये भी करोगे तो भी ए ही आएगा अगर आप इसको करते हो. राइट, माय बैड, मैंने गलत आंसर मार्क कर रखा है. करेक्ट. ठीक है, यस 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 यस। सो नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, अब आपको क्या करना है, अब आपने चेक किया आपका आंसर मैच नहीं किया, ठीक है, किसी भी ऑप्शन से मैच नहीं किया आपका आंसर। सो व्हाट यू विल डू, नाउ यू हैव टू ट्राई दिस ऑन योर ओन, कि आप सबनेट्स को डिवाइड करो विद 1 and this will be treated as 0 0 and this will be treated as 0 1. So this is your A, this is your B and this is your self. और फिर आप आंसर निकाल के आपका आंसर जो आना चाहिए वो आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, करेक्ट। करेक्ट मिथिलेश, राइट, यू वर राइट, ऑप्शन ए आपका करेक्ट है, बी करेक्ट नहीं है, पता नहीं कैसे मार्क हो गया। आई चेंज दिस, मैं आपको जब पीडीएफ दूंगी तो उसमें मैं आपको ये ऑप्शन चेंज कर दूंगी। करेक्ट आंसर आपका ऑप्शन नंबर ए होगा, ठीक है, इतना कर लोगे आप लोग, इतना कर सकते हो, that you can now do this by changing the bits 1 and 0 0 0 1. ठीक है, सो दिस यू हैव टू ट्राई टुमारो। अब आपकी जो क्लास होगी कल, उसमें वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग फ्यू क्वेश्चंस ऑफ सबनेटिंग ओनली, आपके इनके और क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। उसके बाद फिर आई स्टार्ट विद योर जो थोड़े बहुत टॉपिक्स रह गए हैं वो मैं देख लूंगी लॉजिकल के, अगर नहीं तो मैं आपको पीडीएफ दे दूंगी, जैसा भी मुझे सही लगेगा आई सी टू इट, ठीक है। टुमारो वी विल बी डूइंग द क्वेश्चंस ऑन CIDR। सो कंसेप्ट में आपको अभी पीडीएफ और आई थिंक पुरानी पीडीएफ भी सेंड नहीं हुई है, वो भी सेंड कर दूंगी। सबनेटिंग से शायद पीडीएफ सेंड नहीं हुई ना आपको, सो मैं आज आपको सारी जितनी भी हमारी 3-4 क्लासेस की पीडीएफ नहीं मिली है वो मैं सेंड कर दूंगी आप लोग को। और प्लीज ये ट्राई कर लेना याद से कि आंसर इसका करेक्ट है ए नॉट बी, और बाकी कोई भी डाउट हो सो आप प्लीज ग्रुप में पूछ लेना एंड आई विल ट्राई टू क्लियर ऑल योर डाउट्स, ठीक है एवरीवन, क्लियर है? एनी अदर क्वेरी? चलो, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, ठीक है, सी यू ऑल टुमारो सेम टाइम 6 PM एंड सेम आपका क्वेश्चंस होंगे सबनेटिंग के, CIDR के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस हैं बहुत सारे, सो आई विल ट्राई टू डू ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस, सो रिवाइज द कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड देन वी विल सी कि नेक्स्ट क्लास हम कौन सी करेंगे, ओके। सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू एवरीवन, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट।